Hi everyone, it's Robin. Welcome to the nest. So I have a VR for you for Midge's Mountain Crafts. Hi Midge. Her and her daughter are doing a challenge together to where they can build up some of their subbies, and she has some really great prizes for this challenge, and it's really cute. Both of them are just as cute as they can be. And so I'm coming on with a VR for them. It's going to be on a point system, and the challenge runs from July 10th, which, yes, I'm a little late to the party, and runs through August the 26th. However, you need to do a VR to promote the giveaway by the 25th of July. And so, like I said, it's on a point system, and Midge is asking that you're not only subscribed to her, but her daughter as well, and to like both of their videos, comment on them, and then she's asking for some die cuts, memory dex cards, or a card. So I went ahead and made my stuff for your challenge. I won't show what's in these little bags here, but I will show you what I made for you, Midge. She was asking for some, she said that she didn't have many word dies, so I made this little book for her using this die set that I hauled a couple of weeks ago. It's by Pebbles. I've already cut this part off because that's how I store it in my binder, but it's just a little recipe card, and there's two of them. So the only two things that I used, excuse me for my voice, the only two things that I used were the recipe card dies in both of the sizes. So I'll just open this up and show you what I did. So on the inside here, I'm also using this Bo Bunny, the Harmony collection that Tina Kappa sent me. I'm trying my best to use this paper pad completely up, along with a 12 by 12, because I had both of those, and I love this collection. And so I'm not in a collab or anything like that, but I am going to try to use both of them up. So anyway, back to this. So she was also asking for some stamped images, and she needs so many. But Midge, I just sort of did both. I did all of the die cuts that you were asking for in the with the word dies, but then I added extras in here with stamps and stuff because I just couldn't stop. So this little page right here, I have a magnet on it, and it opens up like this. And on the first one, these are some of my CC Design stamps that I just recently got. So there's the little mailbox, and then here's the little girl with the love letters that will go with the mailbox. And then this one comes down, and here is the little girl holding the acorn. And so I have several. 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 of each. 2, 3, 4, 5. So quite a few in here of these. I'll put the link of everything that you need to do in the description box below. I did extras because, well, that's just how I roll. And then this flips up like this. And here is where I've put the die cuts that you asked for. And I did them in black and white because I figured that was pretty universal. And you could use them on pretty much any project in the black and white. And I did it in the heavy cardstock. And this is Happy. And so I just tucked that down in here. And I thought that this would, doing it like this and turning it into a little book, it would be handy for you and something that you could just grab, and it would keep them all together and organized for you, Midge. So then on this page, I have a little pocket here. I added the little dream on the tab. And then I had to put some fairies in there because they're still sitting on my desk. I'm going through this fairy craze right now, and so these are just some of my fairies that I've cut out for you in black heavyweight chipboard, or not chipboard, heavyweight cardstock, sorry. There's the back of that one. And then here inside this little envelope I have Smile. And this is the bow die that I bought from CC Designs. So I cut some of those out in pink because I heard you say that you loved bows. So here's those. I don't remember how many sets I cut out, but a few. And so then on the back, this is another little pocket. And so here's another little CC Designs girl that I bought fairly recently. And she just tucks right back down in there. And there's several of those. And then it flips up. And you can put something, whatever you want here. But then on the back, these two little pockets. I can get my finger in there. Here's the word you. So you could do like thank you from the other one. So in black and white. And there's 6 of those. There's 3 white and 3 black of each one. And then on the front little pocket, this one says hello. And there's 6 of those as well. So I made those for you in this little book. And you can just tie it up and keep it all together and organized. And they won't just be laying around loosely for you. So there's that midge. And then since I don't have a Memory Dex, the punch, I used the smaller recipe die and fixed it just like this one to where it would, where it would bend. And I made this little card for you with the information. This is one of those little CC Designs. I absolutely love this little girl. She is so cute. Let me show you which one it is. She's just precious. So it's this one. And they stain. And that irritates me. I couldn't get it good and clean. But anyway, so it's this one, and it's the Cleverly Cute, the cute birds. But they are so precious. So I used this little girl right here. And I colored her up with my Spectrum Noir markers and popped her up on some foam dots and used one of the Stampin' Up! Dies like I had sent in the package, and wrote "You're So Tweet," or not wrote, but stamped "You're So Tweet" from this stamp set. And then I punched her out using the, not punched her out, I cut her out using the dies that I had bought with it. And I also popped this up on some foam dots. And then I added, in the corners, I added some little gold, you can see that, I guess it's sparkling, some little gold photo corners. And then this is one of the small bows from CC Designs. There's a large one and a small one, and you have large and small in your little package here. So then this opens up. There is a magnet on it that's holding it together, and it opens up like this. And I'm not quite sure if I'm completely finished with this or not. It looks just sort of plain to me on the inside, but she had asked for your YouTube name, your real name, your email address, so I put all that information over here on this little library card in the pocket. And then she asked for some of your favorites. So in this little pocket over here, She asked for your favorite color, and mine is pink, lavender, and robin's egg blue. A favorite animal, of course, my little dog Zoe, but I don't really think that's what she was asking for, but I had to put that on there. But I just, I said anything that flies and has wings or feathers, because that pretty much covers it. Anything cute and cuddly, that's me. So, anyway, I have that on that little library card. I think I need something right here. I'm just not sure. But there is a magnet in here that holds it closed. And then on the back, I just stamped it with my personalization stamp. So anyway, that is my video response to you, Midge. Sarah, if you're watching, I'm working on yours right now. I'll do a VR, but I'm not done with your things, and you'll understand why when I'm finished, and you'll see those ATCs. I don't do them. I don't do ATCs quite like everyone else does. I'm a little bit different on it, but you'll see coming up. So anyway, head over to Midge, to Midge's channel. I'll put everything below, and enter her giveaway and show her some crafty love. Thanks for watching, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye.